one must abide by in order to successfully survive.
Aren't you gonna say hello?
Today we have a Tiffany doll from Bride of Chucky.
Yeah.
So we're gonna open it up. It's right in this nice big box. Thank you, Daddy. Okay, boys. Okay, so here it is. This is what everybody wants. Oh, I think it's this way. 3, 2, 1, and there she is.
Can you open it up from that box?
Yep, we're gonna open it up.
Yes! Oh my God! Oh no!
Alright, she is a bad gal. Right? Just like Chucky is a good guy. And she's a bad gal.
Girl.
Girl, gal.
She's a gal.
Alright, you gotta
Open that box.
Okay.
You're not a good girl.
Now
She's not a good girl.
I finally got her all the way out. That took a little bit of time, but here she
Look.
is.
Look. Hey, let her look at Chucky. She'll
She's
just.
got her dress
And I take it off and see her. Does she have
and
claws?
she has a hairnet because
Does she have claws?
they always have a hairnet.
Does she have claws?
She doesn't have claws.
Yes, she
She has
does.
fingernails. The
Why
painted
do-
fingernails.
Why do they look like that?
Because that's what women do. They have long painted fingernails.
Mom,
Okay,
can you take
so now,
that off?
as you can see, her
Tiffany.
eyes are a little bit off, but that's because you just move them until, there she.
I want to see her eyes. I want to see her. Can I look at her?
See?
Uh-huh.
See? Now we move the eyes into place.
Here she is.
Now the head is posable. You can look up, down, sideways. You can pose her arms like this,
Sideways?
sideways. And her jacket actually does come off.
Can
So if you wanted,
I look? No, don't.
see? Jacket comes
Dad,
off,
can you
goes
put
back
her
on.
down?
So she also has her shoes from the movie.
Yeah, and she also has her
The little-
legging things.
Yeah.
She also has her leggings.
Yeah. And
She was-
you can pose her, stand her, and she's going to be standing around with Chucky soon, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
They're gonna die.
What?
Is Chucky gonna die?
Chucky's gonna die from his bride?
Hey, Dad,
So I got this Tiffany doll for my wife for Christmas. Totally awesome.
I didn't
She got it from
hear
NECA.
anything.
It took a while because our
Did you
Canada
get
Post
this for
wasn't working
Christmas?
for a whole month, and this was kind of lost in transit for almost 2 months. But she's finally here. Picked her up today. She's now part of the collection. She's gonna chill with Chucky, and yeah, we'll see what we can do with the two of them in some shorts and stuff later. All right, everybody, say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Subscribe.